Hey guys, so today's session we're going to be talking about meta tags. So meta tags are basically used for SEO, which is search engine optimization, and it ensures that the page is displayed correctly. So first of all, we'll be starting by doc type HTML, as we know, and then below that we'll be writing HTML. After that, we'll be writing our title tag, in which we'll be writing our title, which is coding cleverly. So after the title, we'll be writing our head tag. Inside our head, we're going to be including all of our basic meta tags. So first of all, we'll include a meta charset tag. I'll let you know what is this. It's used for the character encoding schemes, which includes the characters, emojis, and symbols. Whatever you use is used in meta charset. So basically you could use ASCII one too, but ASCII ones is not encouraged. The newest one is UTF-8. So everyone encourages this one. So we're going to be using this one, this charset. So after this, we'll be writing meta name, and this meta name will be using about the description. We'll tell about the description about the web page. So like the brief description of the web page content is been written inside this. We'll be displaying the brief content of that. So inside that, we'll be writing a description. So in the description, we'll be writing the content. What's the content? What should be the content? The content could be any single thing like free HTML course. So this is like a basic thing. You could be writing whatever you want, and you could be closing this bracket. Whenever we open a meta tag, we're not gonna close it. Just like it's only in an opening bracket, opening tag. You don't have to close it. So after this, we're gonna be writing about the keywords. So we'll be adding another meta name. Inside this meta name, we'll be including all of our characters, keywords. These keywords are relevant to the content of the page. Like whatever you're going to be adding in these keywords, whenever someone's going to be trying to search these, it's going to be helping us to be displayed on the web page. It's like an SEO. So like it's going to help us a lot in finding our web page. So in the content, we'll be writing whatever you want to display, which could be as HTML course or free. Whenever someone's gonna search these kind of stuff, it's surely gonna be displayed, it's surely gonna be found. So that's really nice. So that's gonna be really amazing. So yeah, we're gonna be closing this meta tag properly, and beneath that we'll be writing the author content. So whoever made it, you gotta write your name inside. So we'll add another tag, which is gonna be a meta tag, meta name. Inside this is gonna be the author. This author, you're going to be adding the content, whatever content is going to be telling whatever you want, whatever your name is. So it could be displayed on the web page, and the content is going to be name, I'll say coding underscore cleverly. So yeah, we'll be closing this tag. So beneath this, this is used for the keywords relevant of the web page, and the author tag is specify of the web page. It specifies the web page. So if you wanna make the user friendly for every mobile device, so we're gonna be using the Viewport tag. So this has been written as meta name Viewport. So in this viewport, we're gonna be writing the content. So in this content, we're going to be specifying the width, and after specifying the width, we need a equal over here. Equal to sign device is going to check the device, which is going to be width. Another width you're going to be writing. After that, we're going to be writing the initial scale. So in the initial scale, we'll tell that how many points should it be. It should be 1.0. So it's gonna specify according to that. So I'll let you know why is this used for. This control page settings and dimensions on different devices, especially mobile phones. So it helps us to specify, like if you have a iPad, if you have an iPhone 4, if you have an iPhone 5, if you have iPhone X or 13, 14, 15 Pro Max. So every phone has different dimensions, and it's gonna do everything accordingly. So the last tag of meta tag is the refresh tag, in which it refresh or reloads the page, and you're gonna specify a time limit like 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and it's gonna refresh accordingly. So we're gonna use a meta tag, which is HTTP equivalent, and inside this HTTP equivalent, we're gonna tell, okay, we want to refresh the page. So when do we want to refresh it? We're gonna tell content after how many seconds? We'll say 5 seconds. So after every 5 seconds, this web page is going to be refreshed every single time, which is going to be showing, which is going to be displaying on the web page. So we could close this. It's closed, and we're going to save this, and we'll check it accordingly. Reveal in File Explorer. We can open over here and we can check. Now you can see over here, after every 5 seconds, it's gonna refresh all by itself. See, you saw that? After every 5 seconds, it's gonna refresh over here by itself. See, you see like that. And accordingly, you could change its time. You could change it by 2 seconds. So after every 2 seconds, it's gonna be refreshing on the web page. So we could refresh this again. Look, 1, 2. 1, 2. It's gonna keep on going like that. So I hope you got all this meta tags, and I hope everything is clear. So this is used for SEO mark, and I hopefully you'll be learning. You learn every single thing accordingly, and I hope you learned a lot. So the next video is gonna be the last video, and after that I'm gonna be making a crash course for HTML, in which I'm gonna be displaying a project, and I'll showcasing you how to do that project accordingly. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the crash course. Thanks.